Welcome to the course that will kickstart your editing journey to a pro level fast. This course is designed with you in mind, cutting straight to the good stuff. No fluff, no unnecessary talk, just pure practical knowledge. In this course, I will use Adobe Premiere Pro and I will use content that I've created myself. Some of it will be available for you during this course to download. You'll learn how to handle your edits professionally, structure your projects efficiently, and make creative choices that will benefit both you and your clients. We will also explore color grading, effects, and more to help your videos stand out. So what do you say? Stop leaving your future to chance and let's start this journey together. Thank you for choosing this course. Now let's dive in. To start using Lumetri Color, first find your edit, decide which tone the edit and story has, then start grading it. There are several ways to grade. You can change a workspace to color or find Lumetri Color on the effects panel directly in the edit workspace. For quicker edits, the latter is more practical. So for this lesson on grading, we will simply go ahead and drag Lumetri Color from effects panel onto the clip. The clip I have chosen is a raw footage filmed with Sony FX3. You can clearly see how flat it is. So let's learn how to apply the grade on it to make it look the way we want. Go to the Lumetri Color effect control and let's change the tint value to match our idea of the color theme we want for our footage. In my case it's more green. Let's add some saturation, which is the intensity or purity of a color. High saturation makes colors vivid, while low saturation makes them muted or even black and white. We then go on to add some contrast to liven up the pictures. Add some highlights to increase some of the brightness and reduce the shadow. You can always click on the FX button related to your effect to toggle on and off the effect to see the difference the grade is making. Next, we want to adjust the specific colors of the pictures. Go to Curves and Hue v Hue. Hue is the actual color itself, like red, blue, green, etc. Adjusting the hue shifts the colors to different shades. We want the green grass to become more alive. So we create 2 points so that we isolate the color we want to change. See the difference? There are also some red in the background which I want to bring alive too. So let's do that. Next up, we want to create an extra focus on what is happening for the viewers. Let's go and add a vignette. Reduce the slider to get that black round vignette. Then add smoothness with the feather slider. And play with the midpoint to make it look the way you want. The footage already looks so much better and professional, but I want that bit more dramatic effect. So let's play with the sliders a bit more and see what we can do. You can also grade certain specific areas of the pictures by using the mask method we have used previously in other courses and lessons. Simply add yet another Lumetri Color effect onto the clip and add the mask to where you want to grade.
I wanted to give the footage some depth and bring the background buildings alive. Once you're happy, you can add this grade to your other clips and make the adjustments needed to make them fit better. If you have many clips that can use the same grade, simply add the grade on an adjustment layer and place it above your clips. You can find out what adjustment layer is on our previous courses and lessons. Now you know how to grade basic clips. As always, play around with the tools and learn about colors so that your video edits become more stylized and personal to you.